Ever had your perfect day on the water ruined by a weak or dying battery? Today, we're uncovering the best marine boat batteries that deliver long-lasting power, reliability, and total peace of mind. Welcome to the channel. Stick around. This guide will save you time and frustration. All product links are in the description, so check them out. The number 5 product on our list is Super Empower Batterie. It's wild how many boat owners don't realize their biggest problem isn't the motor or the wiring, it's the battery quietly losing power long before it should. That's why this setup hits differently the moment you install it. The shift from old, unpredictable lead acid to a modern LiFePO force system feels like stepping into a calmer, more controlled world on the water, where your trolling motor runs smoother, your electronics stay stable, and you finally stop worrying about sudden drop-offs in voltage. This model brings that steady confidence thanks to its high-grade cells and deep cycle strength, giving you the kind of endurance that cheaper options just can't replicate. Compared to standard marine batteries that fatigue fast, this one delivers consistent output trip after trip, bringing a sense of relief you don't notice until you finally get it. The lightweight build makes installation easy, yet the internal protection system feels like a shield wrapped around your entire setup. Overcurrent, overheating, salt spray, low temperature cutoffs, it quietly handles all the stress points that usually keep boaters on edge. And in colder regions where traditional batteries suffer, this design maintains its resilience and keeps your power safe. For anglers and weekend boaters who want long service life without constant maintenance drama, this is a smart, forward-thinking choice. It stands apart from others that overpromise but sag under heavy load. Still, if someone is running massive, power-hungry rigs, they may need to expand with multiple units. But this system is built for that too. For most marine setups though, it hits the sweet spot between reliability, strength, and peace of mind, giving your boat a dependable heart that keeps you moving with quiet confidence. At number 4 is HQST Batterie. It's surprising how many boaters blame their sonar glitches or trolling motor weakness on wiring when the real culprit is often a tired old battery that can't hold steady power. That's why this model feels like a breath of fresh air the moment you swap it in. The jump from a fading lead-acid setup to a modern LiFePO 4 system brings a sense of control and reliability that instantly changes your on-water confidence. This option delivers a clean, consistent output that doesn't sag mid-trip, giving anglers and weekend cruisers the stability they've been craving. Its lightweight build makes installation feel effortless, yet inside it carries the muscle of higher energy density and a discharge profile that outperforms traditional marine units by a wide margin. Cold mornings and scorching afternoons, the internal temperature safeguards quietly protect your system, creating a level of safety that brings real peace of mind. Compared to alternatives that struggle with fluctuating voltage or heavy weight, this design stands out with its balanced mix of power and portability. And for boat owners planning to expand their electrical system over time, the flexible series parallel compatibility makes scaling simple and future-proof. Still, if someone runs oversized electronics or extremely high-drawed motors, they may need more than one unit, but that expandability is exactly what makes it appealing for long-term builds. For most anglers, kayakers with motors, and small boat owners, it strikes that perfect blend of strength, durability, and efficiency. It feels like choosing smarter energy rather than just swapping batteries, bringing a calmer and more reliable experience each time you launch. The third one on our list is GREENOE Batterie. It's wild how many boaters don't realize that weak thrust, flickering electronics, or that slow drop in trolling motor power often comes down to one thing: an aging battery that simply can't keep up anymore. That's why this model hits differently the moment you power it on. The jump from old-school lead-acid to a modern lithium setup brings an instant sense of relief, like your boat suddenly has its strength back. What stood out first was the effortless weight. Carrying a setup that used to feel like hauling concrete now feels almost shockingly light. Yet inside this compact frame is a system built for serious marine use, delivering clean, steady power that holds firm from launch to dock without that sudden voltage crash so many anglers dread. The advanced protection system quietly works behind the scenes, keeping everything stable even when temperatures drop or your gear demands more than usual, creating a feeling of safety you genuinely appreciate on long trips. Compared to heavier alternatives that drain faster and struggle under stress, this design feels smarter, more efficient, more adaptable, and more future-ready. With its expandable configuration, it's perfect for boaters who want to build an energy system that grows with their setup, rather than replacing everything every season. If you run high-thrust motors or rely on multiple electronics, you may eventually want a second unit, but its modular design makes that transition smooth. For weekend anglers, off-grid explorers, and anyone upgrading from lead-acid frustration, this option brings reliability that feels refreshing and confidence-boosting. It gives your boat the strength to perform consistently, making every outing calmer and more enjoyable while reminding you why choosing better power truly matters. On number 2 is WattCycle Batterie. It's surprising how many boaters accept inconsistent power as normal, never realizing how much performance they're losing until they drop in a stronger, smarter battery system. That's exactly the feeling this model delivers from the first launch, like your entire setup finally wakes up. The compact size instantly removes the frustration of cramped storage, and the lightweight build creates a sense of freedom when installing or moving it, especially compared to the bulky options most anglers struggle with. Yet behind that small frame is a powerhouse built around high-grade cells that hold steady voltage throughout the day, giving your trolling motor, electronics, and onboard systems the calm, consistent energy flow every boat owner wishes for. The built-in protection system quietly manages the load, acting like a guardian in the background, preventing overload, heat spikes, and damage that used to shorten battery life in harsh marine conditions. For boaters who fish in both hot summers and brutally cold mornings, the temperature-resistant design brings real peace of mind. You don't worry if your power source can handle the weather, because it simply does. Compared to heavier models with fewer cycles and slower recovery, this design feels smarter and much more future-ready, especially with the option to expand into a larger energy bank as your boat's setup grows. If you run extremely power-hungry rigs, you might eventually want multiple units, but its modular design makes that step smooth. For weekend anglers, RV travelers, electric lawn equipment users, and anyone building a long-term off-grid system, this option delivers a sense of reliability that feels refreshing and confidence-boosting. It keeps your adventures powered without stress, proving that choosing the right marine battery isn't just a smart upgrade, it changes your entire experience on the water. Now, moving to the last one is Litime Batterie. It's wild how many boat owners still carry two bulky power sources, fighting for space and praying they won't get stranded when the temperature drops. That's why this model feels like a breath of fresh, confident energy the moment you drop it into your setup. The blend of starting strength and deep cycle endurance solves the biggest frustration people face on the water: unreliable power that cuts trips short. The cold start performance alone brings a sense of relief, especially for anglers launching before sunrise, knowing the motor will fire even when the air bites at your fingers. And the emergency reserve feature quietly protects you from draining your power without noticing, something older batteries simply couldn't do, giving you peace of mind when you're miles from shore. And compared to traditional options that require constant babysitting and deliver far fewer cycles, this design feels smarter, lighter, and undeniably more refined. The self-warming tech is a standout strength, keeping your battery safe in freezing conditions while other models suffer or fail. And the Bluetooth monitoring adds a level of control that instantly makes boat ownership feel more modern and stress-free. It's also surprisingly adaptable, fitting the needs of trolling motors, outboard cranking, and onboard electronics in one streamlined system. If you're running extremely power-hungry rigs or oversized motors, you might need additional units, but for most boaters, the compact punch of this setup feels balanced and efficient. For anyone tired of dead starts, voltage sag, and the weight of old-school batteries, this option delivers a comforting sense of stability and smart performance. It elevates your marine experience with calm, consistent power that keeps you focused on the water, not on your battery. So guys, this wraps up our video on the best boat batteries marine you can buy right now. I've added all the product links in the description, so make sure to check them out and grab the one that fits your style and game perfectly. If this video helped you in any way, don't forget to hit that like button. It really motivates us to keep bringing you honest, helpful gear guides. And of course, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you never miss our upcoming reviews, comparisons, and buying tips. Your support means everything. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.